Riverfish.
Riverfish here, and today I'm fishing at a new location. This is Mount Pleasant Nature Park. So give a quick look around. This is just one of the 3 ponds. So okay, so this is the middle pond. It's kind of, clear, pretty, I don't know, looks just like a regular pond. Number 3 is over there. It is super weedy and going to be really hard to fish. Pond 1 is over this way. It's got a different mix. It's got some weeds and it's got some clear spots. So try out a couple different areas, see if we can catch some fish.
Spots in time too.
Oh, got a little fish. Not very big, but so each of the ponds has one of these, I don't know, contraptions in it. It's just spreading water around because these ponds are spring fed, so they actually have flowing water in them, which I think helps a lot with the fish, and it's not just stagnant water. There we go. Got something. It's a little bigger. It's not bad. Decent size for a sunfish. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. All right. Oh, that's a real fish. That's a real fish. It's a huge sunfish. Oh man. That might be one of the biggest sunfish I've ever caught. Can't even hold it. Yeah, that was a big sunfish. It's bigger than my hand. Oh man. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Alright, hit that subscribe button. So, for a first time here, turned out to be a pretty good trip. Caught a few sunfish, including one of the biggest sunfish I've ever seen. So, definitely worth coming back. And maybe next time, catch some of these other fish. Because I did see some other ones in here. Like some bass. Thanks for watching.